Okay, sagutin natin 'to. Is it too late to play violin for a career? Okay, ano nga ba yung age na too late? Meron bang too late? Actually, wala naman, 'no? Kasi, to make it a career is not just about playing. Well, okay, so if you want to make music as a career, it's not just about your skills na importante, no? It's about understanding how the world works eh. Kasi nga sabi ko nga, if you wanna make music a career, you have to be a little bit business savvy, no? Hindi ka pwedeng umasa na makakapasok ka lang sa isang organization then forever ka nang magiging employee, no? Hindi siya ganun eh. Kahit nga yung mga orchestra musicians, no? They tend to still work outside their respective orchestras kasi ang dami talagang iba-ibang opportunities. Although, those opportunities won't come to you. Ikaw yung gagawa ng way to get noticed. Ikaw yung gagawa ng way to show that you are worth people's time, effort, and money. Yeah. So, wala namang too late, no? I know a few people who started late. Late as in high school na nag-start mag-perform or matuto, that got into music school, nakagraduate pa rin sila, maybe a little bit 1 or 2 years later than their the time frame, no? Like, sabihin natin 5 years yung curriculum, pero nakagraduate sila within 7 or 8 years. Meron din naman na nag-start din sila as in college na, ganun. Tapos, nakatapos pa rin sila within 5 years. And then, yun, naging career nila. Meron din naman na second courser na sila, no? Na pumasok sa music school and then naging career nila yung pagiging full-time musician. Meron ding hindi nag-aral at dumiretso na naging performer, no? I know a few people na noon daw kasi pag sasampa sa cruise ship hindi kailangan ng basta magaling ka mag-perform, ganyan. So may kakilala ko, kwento niya sa akin, 18 years old pa lang. Pagtungtong niya ng 18 years old, yun, sumampa na agad siya. So may mga ganun. So mahirap sabihin eh, pero yun nga, let's say siguro mga 40s ka na, yun, medyo don't get your hopes up na makakakuha ka ng orchestral job, no? But to make a career out of music at in your 40s, kung magaling ka mag-perform, pwede, 'di ba? Kung marunong ka magturo, pwede. Kung gusto mo maging producer, pwede. Wala namang pipigil sa iyo eh. Pero yun nga, kailangan lang ilagay mo rin into perspective kung ano ba talaga yung kaya mong i-offer, 'di ba? Kasi of course, any industry very very competitive naman 'yan. If you can't be the best, at least be someone knowledgeable. Kasi dun lang naman pumapasok yan eh, no? Kasi yung expertise mo, the quality of work that you provide, yan pumapasok. So, mahirap magsabi kasi, yun nga, I know then people who started late na parang 20s na sila nag-start mag-perform. Although hindi na sila nag-music school, pero nakakatugtog naman sila sa mga events, ganyan. So, marami kasing pathways, maraming ways of being a musician, hindi lang sa performance, no? There are also other forms of work aside from teaching and performing. Sobrang dami mo pang pwedeng gawin. Pwede nga, kahit sa computer ka lang, di ba? May mga producers who don't perform, di ba? So, mahirap sabihin, pero there's always a possibility that you can do it, no? Siguro kailangan lang talaga good mentors. Ito lang, tandaan nyo, walang nag-succeed na walang mentor. Okay? Wala talaga. As in, you have to have someone to follow kasi magiging lost ka kapag hindi ka sumunod sa mentors. So, yun talaga yung importante, mentorship. So, pwede ka na nga hindi na mag-aral ng conservatory. Basta may magtuturo sa'yo kung ano yung diskarte, ano yung kailangan mong matutunan at kailangan mong gawin in order for you to succeed. So, yun lang siguro yung pinaka-importante dyan. Especially kung katulad nun, nakagraduate ka na ng ibang course, pwede naman hindi ka na mag-music eh. Pwede naman magpa-lesson ka na lang, tapos eventually makatugtog ka kung saan mo gusto tumugtog. So maraming pathways, maraming options. You don't have to go into music school, especially kung nararamdaman mo na hindi ka rin magiging successful doon. Kasi hindi rin lahat na pumapasok sa music school gumagraduate na musician. Or gumagraduate sa music school in general. Meron ding hindi nagtatapos talaga. So, kanya-kanya tayo ng landas, ika. Pero, hopefully, this would encourage you na maraming iba-ibang klaseng ways in order for you to succeed as a musician. So, good luck sa inyo.